I am touching an F-14 Tomcat right now. I'm touching it. Look at that. Look at that. My fingers are running along an F-14 right now. You know how cool that is? My fingers are swinging.
Why don't you put your cheek on it, dude?
This cheek?
Dude,
this cheek. This cheek?
Yeah, dude. Who could say?
Who else's cheek touched that F-14 right there? Nobody's, just
dude,
mine.
You could literally say,
dude, look at this. Look.
Your cheek is the only cheek.
On a missile.
Dude, on a freaking missile.
Welcome to the Something or Other tour. Welcome to the Something or Other tour. We are on the USS Midway. The USS Midway is an aircraft carrier that was built in 1945 and was active all the way up until 1992. This ship played an integral part in every war in that time frame, especially Desert Storm. It played a big part, big role, big things. It was the flagship carrier of the Navy for Desert Storm in 1991. Pretty cool. A lot of history, a lot of stuff to look at. When the Midway was decommissioned, they turned it into a floating museum and they docked it here in the San Diego harbor. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Mi friends, mi amigos. Just take a look. Just look at it, would you? This dude just scared the bejesus out of me. Area closed. It's crazy to think you'd have to be stuck on the ship for months at a time. Look at these little bumps. Alright, I'm kind of tuckered out, guys, so good night.
Who's that good looking fellow?
Hey, there he is. We gotta tight these cars. No. Like one person can get dressed as something. No, try it. These are the chains for the anchors. I mean, huge. So these go down to the anchor and they can release them. Generally for the anchors they use your mom. So they'll have two of your moms right here.
Imagine how loud it is, dude, when it drops in.
Seriously. You can just jump out if you get to. You know what I'm saying, my man? It's crazy, like the low clearance. And I'm not that tall, I'm only like 6'8". So imagine Shaquille O'Neal in here. Can't lie, I was really excited about this area. Paid my ticket price for this area and now it's closed. Dude, this clearance is scaring me.
I know.
Dunk on this thing and break it like Shaq. Day 2, USS Midway. I'll be ready in a minute. So we were a little late last time, so day 2, finish off the tour. Welcome back, my friends. Mi amigos. Alright, we're trying to find the second deck that we missed last time. 2 engineering, let's do this. Alright, we're gonna go to the brig because we're some bad boys. Bad characters, bad apples, black sheep, you know, all that. Lost cause. No hope. Denial of personal responsibility, immaturity, poor socialization skills, compulsive lying. I know some people that fit a lot of this. Send them to the brig. Let's go. Welcome to the trap. Oh wait, wrong place. Look at this. If someone's 6'8", this isn't fun.
Imagine the ship sinking, you're just trapped in here.
Yeah. It's like in Titanic, isn't Leo in the jail thing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I thought these dudes were real dudes. They're not, they're fake dudes. I have no idea how the 70-year-old technology works. None. Actually, no.
It's a wrap for us.
I couldn't even begin to describe how this technology works in 70 years old. That's how pathetic I am. Actually, I could start. Steam. They make steam and it goes. Below us, you could just fall through and you probably bounce around like a freaking pinball. We're just out here in the engine room just doing stuff.
I wonder if the ship could still start up if they wanted it to.
Can we crank her up and see? Can we crank her up and hear her purr or what? Dude, what is this? What is this, my man? Is this a video game?
Good job.
There he is, that's my guy.
Fulfilling the mission requirements, but this alone won't do it. You need to find more steam.
I wonder if, like, when this thing was an outrage, if they had young thugs bumping throughout the ship.
Yeah, they did. Hercules! They were listening in the future. No, it was more like, hello, my baby, hello, my body.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it wasn't that old. Alright, ladies, don't get too excited. Here's the shower area, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off real quick. Don't get too excited. I'm just joking, you don't want to see this. You want no parts of this, I promise you. Air operations room.
Basically the Top Gun room.
Yeah. Looks like a movie set. I don't know where we are. Flight deck. We're almost there. We're almost to the money maker. All right. No.
Anything to say to this gentleman?
This is just really cool. At Disneyland, the old Mission to Mars attraction had guys sitting like this, which really reminds me of. Just in case you guys wonder. In case you guys are sitting at home like, I wonder what that reminds them of. Mission to Mars at Tomorrowland. No longer there.
Crusaders are often tasked with knocking out
Ready to
this
get
air
briefed?
defense network.
Yep, mate. Good carry.
I'm a terrible student, so I always have to.
But the Crusader was most often used as an escort.
I had no idea Bill Gates worked on an aircraft carrier. Wish I could pull off the sunglasses indoors thing. Not as swaggy as this gentleman right here. Just getting briefed, you know what I mean? Need to know where to go, who to shoot. Give me the specifics, I'm ready to rock and roll. You may remember from the Flying Leathernecks Aviation Museum, We just love the F-18 Hornet, and this is the F-18 Hornet ready room. So we're thrilled. Highway to the danger zone. Oh, I thought someone was watching me. It's the dummies again. I'm CO. I don't mean corrections officer. You know what I mean? Dude, rock and roll, man. I'm gonna go ahead and suit up. Ramrod. That's my favorite pilot. This guy does not look too thrilled with whatever task he was given.
Ow. Put your man on that. Put your head on
Yeah, it's hard when you're 6'8", like walking through it.
Yeah.
And away we go. We're gonna do the simulator thing. You ready for this? Born ready. Are we doing this? Highway to the danger zone. Dun, dun, dun. We're really out here. Really out here. It's a wrap for those guys, huh? All the other mornings, dude, that's good. Are we Tom Cruise? We're taking care of business out here. These bogeys picked a whole bouquet of oopsie daisies, messing with us. We're bringing this bad boy in the thunder and lightning. Woo. No problemo. No problemo, my man. All right, we're out of here. Mission complete. Imagine having to land that on a carrier.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Let's get this show on the road, huh? Dude, this is insane. Highway to the danger zone. Highway to the danger zone. It hurts a lot when you slam down in here.
Yeah, it does.
And you're a big, strong, buff man like me.
Having a good time, my man?
Dude, they got the throttle right here. That's calorie. The danger zone. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom.
How many MiGs did you take down?
9. It's pretty dope. Gonna co-pilot with me? It's pretty wild right here, dude.
Yeah.
Captain's quarters. Tactical Flag Command Center. Let's do it. This is like a Hunt for Red October right here. This is kind of creepy.
Being captain of the USS Midway is a brutal job.
It's like freaking
but
Pirates
it's
of the
also
Caribbean.
the best job of my one that I'll value for the rest of my life.
Agreed, yeah. I mean...
Well, I'll have to finish my paperwork here. Flight ops are about to start.
Yeah.
I hope you'll think about the extraordinary dedication of my crew as you continue your tour.
Definitely.
They make Midway magic every day.
Yeah, get
Thanks for coming aboard.
No problem. See you around, huh? Alright, thank you. Ships, just everywhere there's just stuff.
Yeah. Dude, I never saw this.
I probably need this, but my man's got a chocolate chip cookie. This is the XO's office. Think all the crazy like talks that went on in this room. Like all the decisions that were made right here. All the choning that went on right here. This is where the magic happened. You need that right there? You need that? No, I don't. Alright guys, it's been fun. I gotta get some work done though. So totally lost.
It's crazy.
Dude, I'm 6'8", so this is just like they're eating good on this part of the ship. It's like some cheesecake. Alright. Let's get it going. Need a cut, my man. Need a cut.
Obviously, this is not edible. It's made out of plastic. We know it very good. I'll tell you what this.
Flight deck boss seat right here. Crazy. Imagine like trying to keep up, man. All the activity. Yeah, seriously. This is where they monitor the flight deck and all that. Wow, man. Radio messaging processing center. This little that, oh this little that, oh this little that. We can fiddle with all this, or I could just say, hey, call so and so. What's it? Who's it? Is this real? No, really, is this?
Yeah, it is.
Well, heck, guys. You want some?
I'm cool.
You sure? Mm-hmm. 100% sure, man.
100%.
I just bought a Coca-Cola on the USS Midway. Feeling pretty accomplished. Dude, we're chilling. We are chilling. What's up? How you doing? We're out here, right? My man. This is really dope. They have this table set up for all the prisoners of war and missing in action. So it's just a solitary table for respect, remembrance, all that. That's crazy. I like that. We're about to get real squirrely right now in these simulators. Real squirrely.
And they're letting us.
Yeah, and they're letting us. Alright, man.
Dude, you're not even ready for what's about to happen.
Whoa, whoa. You fucked this. Oh, there we go. Did you cheese us already, my man?
Yeah, I have no control, dude.
We're losing altitude. Yeah, we're boned. Oh, there it is. There it is. Whoa, buddy. Oh shit. Everything's gonna fall out of my pockets. I'm flying now. Alright, let's find. Let's get this guy.
Go get him, dude. Go get him.
Oh, we missed it. We got him. Oh, dude. Oh shit.
We're stalling.
We're stalling. Alright. Go get this sucker. Ah! You gotta shoot. How am I supposed to shoot? How am I supposed to... Ah!
We got shut down? Did we get shut down?
Yeah, we had him, dude.
Dude, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. That was fun. I wish we had a little more time. A little more, you know. George is about to get the business. On the rump of the ship, they have a cool little cafe. Pretty dope. It's getting real serious now. Real serious.
Dude, the original highway to the danger zone. That's one of the most beautiful planes in the world.
It's been 30 years since we lost Goose. Rest in peace, Goose.
God, it's so sick, dude.
Highway to the danger zone.
Gonna take you right into the danger zone.
I think like every American boy, they love the Tomcat just because of Top Gun. That's a bad mamma jamma. Under fire, jumping in. Oh, breaking things. I gotta parachute out this son of a gun. So much room. So much room. The USS Midway was actually the largest ship in the world until 1955. It's over 900 feet long, which is pretty long. Right here is where the jets would take off. This right here is the highway to the danger zone.
Anything to say?
This is kind of scary. Imagine the speed you have to get to in that short a distance. To us puny humans, it's a long distance, but to a jet, imagine the skill it takes to land a fighter jet on this thing moving through the ocean. The planes would just... It's crazy, man. This carrier lasted through every generation of plane.
No, other way.
Wait, that way. Sorry, go that way. Sorry guys. My first day. I didn't have any training. I just bought a ticket. I'm just a guy. I'm just some dude. I'm just a dude. Now you got me launching planes. What do you expect? I don't know. Go! And I splatted. Alright. That was awesome.
Now that we just jumped out of aircrafts and launched a couple.
Yeah. They really put us to work today, huh? Highway to the danger zone. bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Totally impressive.
And that, my friends and mi amigos, is the USS Midway. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things that cool kids do. Thanks for watching, mi amigos. Sailor Scott out. Catch you on the flippity flip, USS Midway. Highway to the danger zone. Don't highway to the danger zone. We're out of here. Out of here. Something or other tour. You know?